Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. I'm your host, Alex. Today we are back out again at Jacksonville Beach, like same place that I went to last time. We're hoping to hook them into some more shark today. We have already seen somebody catch like a 2 or 3 foot shark, so I'm gonna stop talking and get out there because tide's coming in and I wanna get out there while I can. This is pretty much the same spot that we went to last time. Little sandbar here. Some guys coming in on kayaks. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, I forgot to take my shoes off. Oh crap, nope. All right, hang on. We're now headed out here. Again, tide's coming in, so hoping we'll be able to hook up into something. Kimber got a new combo yesterday. We're gonna be showing you guys that in a little bit. I'm gonna be talking a little louder because when I went back through and I watched those other videos, turns out the ocean is super loud, so I'm gonna keep that in mind this time. We're gonna peel this shrimp and get him on the line. Ooh, but I was definitely getting bit. I don't think I cast it out far enough past where the waves are breaking. Oh yeah, there's something. There's something. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. What do we got, what do we got? Nice fat whiting, or I'm sorry, no, not whiting, croaker. I can feel it croaking, so we're gonna keep that one and we're gonna go throw him in the cooler. Keep him for bait. I'm gonna leave you guys here while I go cast that rod out. Fish number 2. All right, so this was a whole croaker when I threw it out. And as you can see, it's been bit in half. So I'm gonna readjust the hook and throw it back out. Kimber caught her first whiting of the day. That's fish number 4. I've caught 3, she's caught 1. We're gonna throw this one back because we've got 2 more in the cooler that we're gonna use for bait. So we're gonna toss them back. All right, Kimbra with her third fish? Second fish of the day.
A little whiting.
It's not a bad size. We're gonna throw him back because we still got the other 2 in the cooler. So he's going for a quick release there. We're just gonna toss him back real quick. Go ahead and toss him back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, wait. Oh, yeah, he's a trooper. There he goes.
Nice size one.
Yeah, so that's a 3rd or 4th fish for Kimbra. Third? Yeah. 3rd fish. I think we're now tied, or I'm one ahead of her. I don't know. But yeah, another whiting. We're gonna release it and let it go, or because we still got a bunch, I think, in the cooler, so we're good. This is the next catch of Kimbra's. Nice stingray there. So I'm gonna get him unhooked and throw him back.
First shark of the day.
Got a shark there. We're gonna throw him back.
Little sharp nose.
Little shark. There he goes. So Kimber, oh. Ah! Okay, oh God, okay, there we go. Popped off at the last minute, but Kimber just caught this spot here. First rod on her, or first fish on her new reel.
My new combo.
New combo, I'm sorry, new combo. Woo! Another good sized whiting for Kimbra. There you go. She's now ahead of me. If you want to pull that hook out.
How many am I at? 5?
5, 4, 5, I don't know.
I think 5. Because last time we were at 4.
Pull it up. You're fine. All right, there we go.
Sorry, dude.
We're gonna throw this guy back. Good catch. Okay. Bye. Oh. Oh yeah. We're gonna throw him back, send him on his merry way. There he goes. Whoa! Oh, that's a good. That's something good. Hey!
Nice, babe.
Good size.
Nice.
This is eating size. We're keeping it for sure.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Catching
These things are
good?
delicious.
Catch. That was wonderful.
Yeah, redfish. You can tell by the spot right there.
I've never caught a redfish. I really want to.
Okay, we're gonna check the size real quick.
Damn.
Just under.
That's
Okay, we're gonna let him go. Come on.